How to set the Samsung Music Queue to play all tracks or play selected track on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, open up the Samsung Music app. Next, tap on the More button at the top. Then tap on Settings from the pop-up. In here, we go down and then tap on Queue Settings in the Playlist section. From the Queue Settings page, you can choose Play All Tracks or Play Selected Track. And that's it. So here say this will replace your current playlist with the playlist for the track you select. So select one of the two options here. After that, you can tap on the home button or the back key to go back to your folders, or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.